Hey, here's a couple more cool things about living in Japan. First, my boy Kenny remarked on how funny it was that I mentioned getting socks and getting older. Socks are more important. Now that's the real deal. Those Uniqlo heat tech socks, about $5, and wearing these is like having a foot massage, and they're nice and warm for the winter time. So we got that going on. My little sweet Anka she's so thoughtful. I love Fuji-san. I do a Fuji-san character. So she bought me this. The packaging is so cool. Look at but this itself, look, it's got Fuji-san. It's got a little tora, a little temple, and you can disassemble it. Fuji-san blew his top. Here's volcano! And here's the kicker. They can't bring, games and toys and stuff to school in Japan. So this actually is an eraser. She got this for Senna too. The vegetables, of course, the edamame, that's Fuji-san. Corn, shiitake, and yeah. More cool stuff in Japan. Next. Check it out, the 5th tree in the line there is already getting a head start. Blooming head start. Blooming in Japan. I'm not a high IQ person, but I'm not a doughhead either, probably a midwit. But I did recognize this pattern. This tree here, the 5th one in the line, every year it blooms a good 3, maybe even a month earlier than these guys. What's up? I'll update regularly. So this is Taisha Elementary School, Shogako, and it's just a drive-by. I'll do an episode on the school and the homework and all of it, but you might notice that there's a guard man right there, and he calls me Kikuchi-san. Michael Kikuchi. Anyway, look, there's a gate. Wow, and a fence all around the school. Seems prudent. Anka forgot something, so I'm doing a drive-by at school. This is a typical Japanese classroom. Check out the curvature on the board. Nice. Flat screen. Balcony. They grow plants for the young ones. Gymnasium over there. Yeah, pretty tight. Next. So my daughter forgot a little bit of homework, so I took it over to her at lunchtime. This is Taisha Shogako, the elementary school, and look, there's a gate right at the front, and the principal is out there every morning welcoming the children. If you look over there, that's a guard man to make sure, nothing happens. All right, good, taking care of the kids. Just a drive-by. I'll do a longer episode on school over in Japan. It's awesome. This nice little play school, preschool here in Japan, in Nishinomiya, and the name, ring, 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 ring. Send your wackos here. You gotta love children. They've lined up these pine cones all along the bench. Okay, here we are, early February, and the boys are already at it, getting ready for Sakura time in the Shukugawa River Valley. Shuku River Valley. Let's have a look what they're up to. Them leaves ain't gonna pick up themselves, boy. Them leaves are gonna blow themselves, man. Let's get some bags, let's get some rakes, let's get some blowers. Clean this shit up. Make it all nice for the peeps. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, don't get run over. And here's the far side of the river. Looks like they've already been through here. Again, all these roped off areas, they won't go in there because they abide by the rules. A little later in the season, they're gonna put some mulch and some fertilizer in there. So we got a bumper crop of Ajisai or hydrangea. And there's two likely lads. What's up, my brothers? Oh. So while I'm here, I should do the outro. Thanks for watching. And if you liked it, then push the like button and subscribe. Tell your friends, share it around. You can hit us and support us on Patreon and PayPal because we need some computer equipment to do better editing, filming, etc. Thanks a lot and keep watching. We're going to be bringing you more and more stuff. It's boots on the ground, Gaijin view of Japan. All right, thanks again.